Alright, welcome back to a new video. This is my E46 and it needs a little bit of love. So in the last episode you saw me taking out the injectors and getting them tested. And we have the results. They are not good. Let me show you. So basically what we have here is that every injector is failed at a, let's say, cruising level. So when the rail pressure is around 800 bars, ET is, I think, the injection time, which is not good. And now we have to find a solution for that. So everyone is failed, and also the back leakage is failed on 3 out of 6. The back leakage is failed in 3 out of 6 injectors. So that's a bummer, that's not good. And the thing we need to do now is to find either pretty cheap new ones or get them rebuilt. I don't know what to do. Yeah, so the car is undrivable now, but we have something else to do, and that is my Christmas presents. So I was very happy to receive a new Shiftboot and Handbrakeboot as for Christmas gift, which is really nice. And we've also got a original shift knob from BMW, which is the M package one, or however you say it. Doesn't matter. So let's get to install it. All right, so this is my old shift knob, and if you can tell, it's going off quite easy. And that's because those clips in here are broken. So 2 of them are missing. And every time you are enthusiastic driving, you're just going to put the second gear and do it like that, and you will have your shift knob in your hand. We need to change that. I think we should start with the handbrake. Hopefully. Yeah. Hoe is het opbroken? No. All right, so the so the handbrake boot is just clipped here in the back and in the front. So you pull the front up and you can get it out. And now the bigger question is how to get this out. So after finding out how to do that, you just simply put the boot all the way up, and then we need something to cut this zip tie right here. So first one, cut that off. And now you're able to pull it off. Nice. That's a new one. And in order to mount that, you should be somehow able to, I think there should be only stretched on it. Hopefully it's not glued. It is glued. Nice. Nice. And this doesn't look to me like it should be glued on. So at this new handbrake boot, you've got like a, I don't know, what's it called? Like a flexi thing that should hold it on. So, oh look, I broke it. After I definitely not break the clip right here. It wasn't me, for sure. I just glued it back on with some industrial, I don't know what it's called, super clever. I don't know, whatever. Now we need to figure out how to put it on here. After a little bit of trying, we now got the boot on here, on this plastic tray. And now we are going to slide it, I don't know, somehow like that. Like that. Then we're gonna take our zip tie and hopefully zip tie that correctly together. Well, that didn't go as expected. Oh, come on. For fucking real? Can you get me another zip tie? Thanks. And now let's try putting it on without actually destroying it. Take number 420. It looks pretty good, honestly. Looks quite good. Looks very clean. The only problem is that everything else is dirty as fuck. But that's a problem for later. And now to the shift boot. I probably, yeah, it's the same. So looks like that. It's also glued on here. So we need to get it off, and then we can start putting the other part on. So the old one is off, the new one is on. Pretty straightforward. It's a little bit easier than the handbrake boot. So now to the shift boot. Yeah. I think that's the right way. So the thing is, it's probably, I will probably put it out back again and apply some, I don't know what it's called, like textile glue. Just to, I think that's the correct way to do it. But for now it will be fine. The car is not driving anywhere, so. Let's see, that's. Yeah, that looks nice. Yeah. So, all new installed. This as well only took us 8,000 hours. Very nice. And last but not least, the shift knob. So for that one, it's a super strange feeling because it actually is tight. You just need to press it super strong until it pops. Now it looks great. Besides, why is there a cigarette? Never mind, okay. Alright, so that's it from my side. The Shiftboot and the Handbrake boot came out very nice. It's fitting quite good. I would be very happy if you press the like button and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.